will be making a wing catcher for the 4th of July. First, you need this ribbon, just like this. Cut some. And then you need blue paint and white paint. Then you need another ribbon, which is white. You need glue, and you need a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll. And you need scissors. First, let's paint. First, we'll cut. We'll do cutting. First, cut this straight down the middle, the ribbon, just like this, straight down the middle. It's folded here, so just cut it straight down the middle. I'm not using the scissors right. I'm just going to make sure that we can do it right. So, since it's kind of hard, you're going to make sure that every single ribbon is in place to be easier. Just like this. I can't cut it. Okay, now we can. This is getting out of control here because of the ribbon. We just need to make sure that we cut straight down the middle. Just like that. So we have a thin ribbon. And then here's what it should look like. This long ribbon. And also cut it with the white one. You have to do it multiple times. Okay. Now, let's put that to the side. Let's paint. Get your toilet paper roll and get a paintbrush. I know this isn't a paintbrush, but it's better than nothing. Just paint. With your blue, and paint it until full. Whenever you're done, don't forget for it to dry. It's going to be just like this. Make sure that you puncture a hole in it, and oops. This is what it should look like when you're done, and it's dry with the hole punctured. Like this. Next, we have to paint. You get this star stamp. Get with your white paint and just simply paint around. It does not have to be perfect. Just do it better next time. Push it. Like this. And then get more paint whenever you're done. Whenever you're done with the star. And then you might need a tissue to wipe. Okay. I'll need a tissue to wipe this. Here's what it should look like. Don't forget to put a ribbon through the hole. It should look like this when you're done. 4th of July theme. That's right. And then you're going to get your glue. And then get a ribbon. You're going to glue it from the inside. First, start with your white. Open up your glue. Just glue it along here. And pushing the glue so that it can get to it. to me, and then you're going to glue here from the inside, just like this. Next, you get the red, and then you're going to turn it over just like this. I'm using glitter glue because my white glue can't work. I think I mentioned that in a few videos. But if you haven't, subscribe and check that some videos out if you're new after you watch this, because you should never miss a video. And to never ever miss a video for sure, hit the bell. I'm going to take another white one and glue it on. And then just keep going. Patterns. You're going to get a red here. And then you'll need, wait, I messed up, so I'll just do it again. Knock down the paint. We can put that to the side. Next, we need a white. Here's a white. Again, these are just multiple ribbons that we cut out. And then the last one will be red as you go around. You may have to glue on the ribbon, the white ribbons, so that you have enough room for the red. Here's what it should look like. Okay, it looks real pretty. You might hang it. The wind's gonna get it's like blow, blow. Perfect for the 4th of July. It has a hanger here, so you can hang it anywhere. Like, not just one place, you can hang it everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe, definitely. Hit the bell, comment down below, and like. Share this video, please. And don't forget to check out my, click on my circle, which it will show all of my videos, so check all those out so that you can like those, please, also, and comment from those videos. If you do, I really appreciate it. Bye.